On a sunny beach so bright, we build sandcastles in the light. Buckets, spades, and shovels too, making dreams with skies so blue. Splash, splash in the sea, waves are calling, come with me. Seagulls flying, kites take flight, oh what fun from day to night. Footprints left upon the sand, collecting shells, hand in hand. Building memories one by one, underneath the golden sun. Splash, splash in the sea, waves are calling, come with me. Sand between our toes so free, a perfect day at the beach. Whee! As the sun begins to set, colors paint the sky, you bet. A beach day filled with glee, sweet dreams of the deep blue sea.